What is going on, YouTube? This is your boy Steven Rock 137 here. How we all doing out here today? Well, today is going to be a brand new video today. That's right, brand new video. And I'm using one of my other cameras that I have. I have to stay up here, please. I have to. But you guys can hear me though. That's all that matters. I have to plug this into the charger because it's going to die on me if I don't. So today, if you guys seen the post I had on Facebook, it is a new video day today. So I hope all of you out there are ready for a new hat skank video. And also, I need to give some big shout outs to people at my work. People at the Wendy's where I work at. So just give me a second here. I'm gotta plug this asshole in. That's right, I'm gonna call it an asshole. Cause you know when the shit dies. Alright. You plug it in now. There we go. Now we got it plugged in because it was gonna die on me. So it's gonna be a little ghetto of how I have this shit. Alright. So furthermore, is today I'm going to do a track called Hucci and Stooki Sound Balls So Hard. That's what I'm going to do for the track. And then today, got to give a big shout out to the people who work at my job. I'm going to mention their names. I'm going to mention, let's put it this way. My boss, Bobby Joe, Bob, Regina, Derek, Jacob, Alyssa, and there's a few other people, but I forget their names. But big shout out to all of you guys, because you know you guys wanted shout out for one of my videos, so I want to show my respect, especially the people who I work with. So let's get this shit started. As I say, I try not to curse in a video, but sometimes, you just got to make it funny, And a lot of people, I really like that the fans, the fans are finally reopening out of their head and they're finally coming back and they're checking out my videos and, I really appreciate that stuff. So I'm going to put this, this should work out good. Let's see, here's on top of that case. Hopefully it stays in there. It's not going to be the best, but oh well. Let's see if I put it on top of here. There we go. Now we talking, yeah. We're dropping them bottles. Let's get this stuff started. You guys can see me well.
Stooki sound. Hucci. Good.
a good drop, hopefully.
Good. Good. Good.
There you guys go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a head skank video right there. Especially for all the people who I work with at my job. You guys got your big ass, big, humongous shout outs from your boy Steven Rock 137 here. That's right. Your boy Steven Rock 137. Also, I want to break the news to some of you, to everyone out there. Your boy Steven Rock 137 will be traveling to San Francisco, California. Leave March 22nd, so I'm really, ecstatic about going to San Francisco, California. And then I'm going to be going away a week later to San Antonio, Texas. So I'm going to be going away with my buddy Big John. So you guys will see, some videos while I'm out there. If you guys see me, don't, if any fans out there see me, don't feel scared. If you want, yell out the window, Steven Rock 137, yell out the window. If you want me to sign your shirt for you, I'll sign your shirt for you. I'll sign anything for you. Anything to make people happy. It's been your boy, Steven Rock 137. The boy for life, Steven Rock 137. Thanks for watching. Remember to click that like button. I will post a Facebook page that I have where all you gotta do is go on it, click like. It's free. It's the best page that has ever been on Facebook. It's better than all the other drama that they have on Facebook, Everything on Facebook, what you see nowadays, a lot of it's drama. I can definitely say that. So I have a new word for Facebook. Okay, this is a new word, what I call Facebook now. I call it a drama site. Because everything that you see, I'll just say a quick thing. Like the storm that we had the other day. They were predicting that this storm was going to be so bad, and we end up getting like nothing. So I think the news people who go ahead and they do, and when they say all these kinds of things, they should be responsible for things that they do or things that they say, and it gets everyone all hyped. Because I was out on Friday and Saturday, okay? And people were acting like it was the end of the world was coming. Like, I've never seen so many people out on the road. Like, supermarkets were packed. And I guess, then we can wonder why the economy is like in such a dump right now. Because the economy's not getting better. I'm sorry to say, but out of my opinion, the economy, the only way the economy's going to get better is if this world that we live in, if people open up and actually use their brain. So, that's just my other opinion. So I just wanted to say that, because I felt like, I needed to say that just because, it's just my opinion. Everyone has their own opinion about stuff. So this has been your boy, Stephen Rock 137. Peace out, bitches.